Most people think they have an income problem. They believe if they just made an extra $500 a month, all their stress would vanish. But the truth is, most of you have a leak problem. You're pouring water into a bucket full of holes. Today, for day one of the 72-hour reset, we are going line by line. We are hunting for the zombie subscriptions and lazy fees that are bleeding your wealth dry before you even see it. Let's get to work. I want you to open your banking app and go back exactly 90 days. We look at 90 days because it catches the quarterly subscriptions that monthly checks miss. You're looking for anything recurring. That $10 app you used once for a photo filter? Kill it. That premium news site you never read? Kill it. If you haven't used it in the last 30 days, it is no longer allowed to live in your bank account. These aren't just small charges, they are compound interest killers. Now, look at your hidden fees. Maintenance fees, SMS alert fees, out-of-network ATM charges. These are the bank's way of taxing your lack of organization. Write down the total of every leak you found today. For most of you, this number is going to be between $50 and $200. That is money you just earned back without working an extra second. That is the first win of the reset. Your mission for the next hour: cancel 3 subscriptions. Just 3. It takes 5 minutes, but the psychological shift is permanent. I've included an audit log in the 72-hour reset checklist to help you track exactly how much you recovered today. Download it for free in the description. Tomorrow, we take that recovered money and we put it to work. I'll see you for day 2.